Most people spend 2 to 3 hours manually redrawing their AutoCAD plan in SketchUp. I'm going to show you how to do it in under 5 minutes, and your 3D model will be more accurate than if you drew it from scratch. Let's go! Hey, welcome back to CAD SHOW. If you're new here, I teach AutoCAD, SketchUp, Revit, and rendering software like Lumion and D5, so hit subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Today, AutoCAD to SketchUp, full workflow. Step 1. Prepare the AutoCAD file. Before we even open SketchUp, we need to clean our AutoCAD file. Open your AutoCAD software and first, remove the unwanted line and block, etc. This keeps your import light and fast. Next, make sure your plan is on layer 0 or organized into clear layers, walls, doors, windows, furniture, because this will help us later in SketchUp. Finally, save it as an AutoCAD 2013 versions or 2018 version of DWG format, because SketchUp imports these versions most reliably. Step 2. Import into SketchUp. Now open SketchUp. Go to File greater than Import. Select your DWG file and click Options. Here's the key setting most people get wrong. Set your units to match your AutoCAD drawing, millimeters or meters, or your scale will be completely off. Click Import, and there's our 2D plan sitting flat in our 3D space. Step 3. Clean and scale. Before modeling, double-check your scale using the tape measure tool. Measure a known wall length and confirm it matches your plan. Then group your imported plan and lock it on its own layer, so we don't accidentally move or edit our reference lines while modeling. Step 4. Model the walls. Now the fun part, using the line tool, trace over your wall lines. Once your shape is closed, use push-pull to bring your walls up to height, typically 3000 millimeters for a standard floor. Pro tip: model all your walls as one continuous shape first, then push-pull together. This keeps your geometry clean and avoids gaps at corners. For openings, draw rectangles where your doors and windows are marked on the plan, then push-pull into the wall to create the opening. Step 5. Doors and windows. From here, you can insert 3D door and window components from the 3D warehouse or model your own. I'll cover custom door modeling in another video. Add your floor by tracing the inner boundary and pushing it up slightly. And that's it, your AutoCAD plan is now a complete 3D SketchUp model, ready to bring into Lumion, Enscape, or D5 Render for a stunning visualization. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to CAD SHOW, and comment next if you want me to show you how to render this exact model in D5 Render. See you in the next one.